It's not decorated yet. Happy Vlogmas day 2. Hey guys, the coloring is horrible, I know. I'm in my bathroom and the lights suck. Yeah, happy Vlogmas day 2. So today I am going to decorate the fireplace. I'm so excited. I'm gonna decorate the fireplace and I want to get some cute stocking stuffers for the dogs. It is pouring rain outside. I'm not understanding the weather. Well, actually, it probably does this every year. I just can't remember. Like the day after Thanksgiving, it poured raining and it has not stopped. So, but I'm going to do my makeup really quick off camera because I cannot find my tripod. Can it sit up here? No, that's not a really good angle. Actually, give me 1 second. I don't know what to do anymore when it comes to makeup. I'm just over it. Like half this year I didn't wear makeup, so I'm just not into it anymore. I'm using this dip shape from NYX and I am not good with brows, so this stuff makes it very harsh. But I'm kind of learning to, I don't know. Like I'm learning how to use this stuff so that my eyebrows don't look super crazy. Hey Rocky Poo. It is raining, bless you. It is raining and I'm over it. So I've been going real slow all day just because that's just what happens when it rains. I woke up at 11, which is crazy. I woke up at 10:50 and then I watched some 101 because that's just what I've been doing. I love that show when I was a kid, and yeah, I love that it's on Netflix now. It's my favorite show. I had a crush on Flex growing up, and geez, what am I doing with these eyebrows? And then I edited some videos and photos, and I'm trying to figure out what I can do for maxismom.com, like what kind of posts I should do for Christmas. And then I think that's just gonna have to do for now until I figure out what I'm doing. And then I put up some dishes, and now I am about to decorate the fireplace, and it's like 3 or 4. I'm gonna decorate the fireplace and I'm gonna go out and get some stocking stuffers and for the dogs. I'm not sure what to get for Alex just yet, so yeah. I cannot wait to figure out like a solution to my skin. Like it looks better than last year, but now it's blotchy, and I'm going to see a new dermatologist on Tuesday because I don't know, like my current dermatologist, I just don't think she respects me. And we went through so much with my skin this year. Like I told you all about my Accutane experience, and I'm still dealing with side effects from Accutane, and it's been 6 months, and she was trying to put me on a biologic and just a lot of stuff before. Like she tried, oh, this is too dark. She tried a lot of big medications before doing small medications, and that's very frustrating to me. It's like my health isn't a priority. You're just trying to knock this condition out the way and be done. So I'm hoping that the new dermatologist is understanding. And it's not just that, it's like my old dermatologist. Like when we talk, she acts really, I don't know, like she doesn't like me. And you don't have to like your doctor, but you kind of do. Like you helping me maintain my body, you know what I'm saying? So I want to feel like you care about me. So, and somebody doesn't like you, you don't feel like they care about you, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to see a new dermatologist this week, and I'm really hopeful. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I'm hoping this is a good change, because this will be my 3rd dermatologist going to, because it's just the personalities. And then because I am black, not even because I'm black, because I have type 5, I was told, skin, because I have non-pale skin, It's like nobody knows what to do for acne scars, and it's just like, y'all is tripping. And I know that darker skin, you should take it slower when getting rid of hyperpigmentation, but I'm fair enough that I don't get those serious discoloration side effects. And like, I'm getting a slight blotching with Obagi this time around. I did Obagi when I was 18 and I had no problems with it, and then I did it again when I was 22, and I didn't do the whole system, and I felt like that's why I was having issues with it, so I didn't do it. And then now I'm 27 and I'm trying it again, and it's working, but it's kind of blotchy, so that's why I'm seeing this new doctor, and I'm just gonna get a second opinion on all of my skin care needs. So I did my makeup kind of dark today, but it's okay because I'm doing those reindeer earrings, and keeping it light because I'm not doing anything. Oh, this is so pretty. This is Berlin. Yeah, it's Berlin by NYX. I never wear this color because it's brown, and I like to wear brown on dates or like at night or something. Plus this year we've been wearing masks, so it's so pretty. I'm just getting dressed up for y'all. When I was a girl, I thought my lips were huge because you never saw anybody in magazines or on TV with lips. Like, they all have very thin lips. Plus, everybody in my family's lips are smaller than mine. And now that I'm older, I feel like my lips are small, and that's just so funny, and it's weird because it's like, you should love yourself no matter what's trending. Like, think about if I had gotten my lips reduced because they used to be the thing to have thin lips. Crazy. What are you doing, Cece? You bored? Oh, it's that time of year again. It is Christmas, so I need to put on my glitter mascara. Glitter mascara. I need to figure out the settings on this camera because it does not autofocus anymore, like on objects. Oh, this mascara, the one I put on before, it's clumping and I have spider lashes now. Can you tell I have glitter on my eyelashes? No, because my camera sucks. It is so dreary outside. You can kind of tell. I've got to figure out my camera settings. This looks bad on camera. It doesn't look quite like that. Anyway, look how dreary it is. It's so sad out there. Let's go decorate the fireplace. I've been eating these. It's bad. I have a bunch of green and red ones, and I've eaten all of the green ones. So now it's just red. It's just a cup of red lollipops. This is the tree. It's not decorated yet. Happy Vlogmas Day 2. is so flustering. Let's see. I don't know. Maybe the tall trees go, and the tall houses go up here, and the small houses go somewhere else. Let's see how that works out. Okay, you guys, so it turns out I don't have as many fireplace decorations as I thought I did. So I had some smaller garland up here last year, and I put these, they're kind of an advent for 12 days of Christmas. Not the countdown to Christmas, but the countdown after Christmas. And they're not gonna show this year if I do it. So I'm gonna put these around the living room. See, that one barely shows, so you know the really small ones aren't gonna show. And so yeah, I'm gonna figure out ways to decorate around the living room. I'm thinking I'm gonna do the bookshelf, and I'll put these on the bookshelf. That'll be really fun. So seeing that I don't have as many decorations as I thought I did, I'm not really sure what to do with the fireplace for Christmas. I guess this is fine, and once I put the mirror back up on the wall, it'll look okay. See, it's not bare, but it is kind of bare. So I'm thinking when I put the mirror back up, there's just one more thing that maybe should be in the center. I'm not sure what that is. Yeah. And then I want to get some lanterns for the bottom of the fireplace, because there's just dog toys and pumpkins that need to be thrown out down there. And so, I'm not really sure. And it started raining heavier. So I'm thinking I'm not gonna even get any stocking stuffers right now. It's late evening. I think moving forward with Vlogmas, anything I'm gonna need to go to the store to get, I need to do it early in the morning, because this weather is crazy this year, 2020. And so, yeah. So I think in the morning I'm gonna go out and get some stocking stuffers for the dogs, and maybe an Alex if I end up going to a store. I don't know what to get him. Year after year, I never know what to get him. And then I'll figure out if there's something else I need for the fireplace once I hang that mirror back up. And I guess I will decorate the bookshelf for Christmas. That's gonna be so fun. We have a tree over there. Oh, let me show you guys. Okay. This is gonna be so fun. Okay, so the tree is over there, and then the coffee station, and then the couch is decorated, but the dogs mess it up every day. And then we'll have the fireplace once I figure out what to do with it. I definitely want to get some lanterns to put there. I just can't find any. I think the dog toys will just stay there. That's fine. I'm gonna put a little something on this table. I'm not sure what, but I want something to be there. And then I think it'll be fine leaving the window bare. But then you'll come over here and have a bookshelf that's Christmas themed. That's gonna be so fun. Oh, it's gonna be so festive this year. I'm so excited. I've never made my entire home festive. And it's not gonna be the entire home, but it is our living room, dining room, and our bedroom. So that's a lot. And I'm gonna make some garland and stuff for the kitchen. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be really festive all week. I'm getting everything done this week as far as decorations, because it's the first week of December. Okay, I need to write down everything that I need. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited. I think I can still, you okay, Rock? I think I can still use these pumpkins I use for harvest every year, because they are Christmas colors, and you still eat pumpkin stuff at Christmas. I'm not sure. Once the fireplace is up, I always get really excited because it's so huge. Jeez. Okay. Okay, I really wanted this to all be in one video, but that's what Vlogmas is. It's a vlog. You vlog as you go, and this is a real life. The vlogs are. So if you're curious, if you don't care about the vlogs and stuff, I'll put all the decor, all the Christmas decorating into one video. But if you're interested in my vlogging, then continue watching, and we will figure out what we're going to do for the fireplace and the bookshelf tomorrow morning for day 3 of Vlogmas. But for now, I am burning up in this sweater, as cute as it is. It is very cute. I'm proud of myself for finding it. Target, y'all. And I'm gonna go get some dinner. I don't feel like cooking. And I'm supposed to be going to someone's house tonight for Mexican, and now that's not happening, and I still want Mexican. So I'm going to, I don't want to go outside. It's so dark and look out there. Let me take you on the balcony. It is depressing. Ugh. It's cold. So yeah, I don't feel like leaving, but I really would like some Mexican food and to watch the Queen's Gambit. That's how I'm gonna spend my evening. Yes. So I will see you guys tomorrow for day 3 of Vlogmas, and we will get some stocking stuffers for the dogs and decorate the bookshelf together.